Welcome back to Mastering Airport English. In today's video, we're covering how to make a complaint in English at the airport. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and knowing how to express your concerns politely but clearly can make a big difference. Let's go over key phrases to help you communicate effectively and increase your chances of getting a solution. Let's start with complaining about a flight delay. If your flight is significantly delayed and you need more information, you can approach the airline desk and say, "Excuse me, I noticed my flight is delayed. Could you tell me the reason for the delay?" This is a polite way to start the conversation and invites the staff to explain the cause. If the delay is causing serious inconvenience, you can add, "This delay is causing me some problems. Are there any accommodations or compensation available?" If you're dealing with lost or delayed baggage, go to the baggage claim counter and say, "Hello, my bag didn't arrive on my flight. Could you help me locate it?" Or, "I'd like to file a complaint about my missing luggage." If you need further assistance, ask, "How long will it take to locate my bag?" Or, "Will the airline cover any costs if my bag doesn't arrive soon?" In case of unhelpful service or rude treatment, approach the supervisor or manager at the airline or service counter and say, "I'm sorry, but I'm not satisfied with the way I was treated. Could I speak with a supervisor, please?" You can add, "I feel that my concerns weren't taken seriously. I'd appreciate if someone could help me with this situation." If you're unhappy with a seat assignment or there's an issue with your seating, go to the gate agent and say, "Excuse me, I have an issue with my seat. Could you help me find a solution?" If you feel the seat assignment was incorrect, you can add, "I requested a different seat when I booked. Is there any way to change it?" If you experience issues with cleanliness or safety on the plane, you can notify the flight attendant by saying, "I noticed a cleanliness issue with my seat area. Could it be cleaned before we take off?" Or, "I'm concerned about safety with specific issue. Could you help address this before the flight?" Finally, if you're not satisfied with the response to your complaint, you may want to ask how to file a formal complaint. You can say, "I'd like to file a formal complaint. Could you tell me the process for that?" Or, "Is there a customer service number or email where I can follow up on this issue?" Let's review these key phrases for making a complaint. "Excuse me, I noticed my flight is delayed. Could you tell me the reason for the delay?" "My bag didn't arrive on my flight. Could you help me locate it? I'm not satisfied with the way I was treated. Could I speak with a supervisor, please? I have an issue with my seat. Could you help me find a solution? I noticed a cleanliness issue with my seat area. Could it be cleaned before we take off? I'd like to file a formal complaint. Could you tell me the process for that?" Using these phrases will help you express your concerns effectively and increase the likelihood of getting a solution. Remember, staying calm and polite, even when frustrated, can make a big difference in how your complaint is handled. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more helpful travel English tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.